Welcome to the ultimate cybersecurity challenge. Think you have what it takes to outsmart real hackers? Test your knowledge with our 20 cybersecurity quiz and see how you stack up against cybercriminals. Question number 1. Which of the following is a type of malware that disguises itself as legitimate software? A. Virus. B. Firewall. C. Spam. Question number 2. What is the best practice to create a strong password? A. Use common words. B. Include personal information. C. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Question number 3. What does the term data breach refer to in cybersecurity? A. Encrypting sensitive data. B. Unauthorized access to sensitive data. C. Monitoring network traffic. Question number 4. What does the term penetration testing refer to in cybersecurity? A. Testing physical security. B. Testing for vulnerabilities. C. Testing network security. Question number 5. What does the term vulnerability assessment refer to in cybersecurity? A. Testing for security weaknesses. B. Ignoring security incidents. C. Encrypting sensitive data. Question number 6. What does the term malware refer to in cybersecurity? A. Hardware vulnerabilities. B. Software designed to cause harm. C. Human errors in cybersecurity. Question number 7. What is the purpose of a security policy in cybersecurity? A. Encrypt sensitive data. B. Ignore security incidents. C. Set security standards. Question number 8. What is the primary purpose of encryption? A. Store data. B. Hide data. C. Secure data. Question number 9.
What is the primary goal of data backup in cybersecurity? A. Store data securely. B. Encrypt files. C. Protect against data loss.
Question number 10. What does the term two-factor authentication refer to in cybersecurity? A. Using multiple passwords. B. Providing additional security layers. C. Encrypting sensitive data.
Question number 11. What is the purpose of multi-factor authentication? A. Use multiple passwords. B. Provide additional security layers. C. Create strong firewalls. Question number 12. What does the term endpoint security refer to in cybersecurity? A. Monitoring network traffic. B. Protecting network endpoints. C. Encrypting sensitive data. Question number 13. What does the term data encryption refer to in cybersecurity? A. Monitoring network traffic. B. Protecting data with a secret code. C. Encrypting sensitive data. Question number 14. What is the primary goal of network security in cybersecurity? A. Encrypt data. B. Monitor network traffic. C. Protect against unauthorized access. Question number 15.
What is the purpose of encryption in cybersecurity? A. Secure data. B. Store data securely. C. Hide data.
Question number 16. What is a common method used by hackers to gain unauthorized access to computer systems? A. Phishing. B. Firewall. C. Spreadsheet. Question number 17. What is the purpose of network monitoring in cybersecurity? A. Monitor network traffic. B. Encrypt sensitive data. C. Ignore security incidents. Question number 18. What is the purpose of a data breach response plan in cybersecurity? A. Ignore data breaches. B. Panic. C. Minimize impact and notify affected parties. Question number 19. What is the purpose of a security incident response plan in cybersecurity? A. Minimize damage and recover quickly. B. Ignore security incidents. C. Panic. Question number 20. What is the primary goal of cybersecurity incident response planning? A. Monitor network traffic. B. Minimize damage and recover quickly. C. Encrypt sensitive data. How did you do? Let us know your score in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more cybersecurity tips and tricks.